Yeah, man, bless up everybody. Bless up to all the new subscribers, you know what I mean? Well, family members, to all my other family members, the original family members, thank you for the continuous support. This is Public Report, my dear Jamaica. So this one is for you. Enjoy it, like, share, comment, do the same thing. Bless up to all like Candy, you know what I mean? Jada, Brittany, Money Idol to be a part of this thing, you know what I mean? This is Public Report and the journey continues. Richard Brown Films family, you don't know anything, all right? So just watch that one. You ready for watching? Watch the movie. See that now. Ready?
It's about time to stop running up and down on the road, you know, brother. Because a bag of girl me see with you know, brother. The lifestyle we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 women. Don't make no sense, brother. All I get, you know.
Brother, I'm telling you this. This is a lifestyle I'm happy with you, you know. I know one right now, you know, it's $5,000, you know. You know what I mean? Go and go club and give them, most people give them a tip. If you give them a tip, like if they're 500 or 1,000 and buy them a drink, brother, I want a wickedest sex job in their lifetime. I tell you, you put that. Me try that relationship that thing there. And imagine you have home now and you say, want some good thing and she in a bad mood. Brother, I'm not there for that, brother. Done with them things. Them things I want long time ago. You understand what I say? Yeah. So Billy, what will you answer?
Big man thing still, you know. Sad life that, you know, brother. Imagine, you spend 5,000 every week and a 4 week in a month. At 20,000. Just imagine I have 12 months in a year. Just calculate that and tell me how much. You see me? So, me personally don't think it's a good thing like brother. I told you that I don't know. I don't want to go where to go, bro. But I hear a choice. I feel like this someone woman there, brother. They steal your energy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 man. They steal your energy. You see me? I'm not discriminate against no woman. Because people have to do what they have to do. And at the end of the day, man have to live their own truth. You see me? But I'll say things like, yeah, my woman, she love me love her at that time. You see it?
Billy, you understand what you're saying? And you see the thing we are talking about, say, you have your woman and you're happy for your brother. Happy for you. And something what you can't say to you, say, yo, you know, no hope it lasts forever. But and you talk about this 5,000 thing, brother. My woman sometimes attacks me on 50,000 and 80,000 and something there. You see, you live with a woman, you not spend 20,000 on them. See? Because when they want to hear, for them here for 80,000, see? For them shoes for 40,000, for them bag, all these things. And where they want to go. And brother, 5,000, walk in that shop, a happy man, and leave out a happier man. And I can budget myself. You know what I mean?
Alright, I'm not going to argue with this way I say I lie as it pertains to you spend more, but at the end of the day, stability is important. So you have to do what you have to do, and we can't love to live your life. Do what work for you.
Alright, you know, at 2 years now, I really do that a woman like that. They say, live on me yard. And the scientists them say anything you can do over 2 years, you know what I mean? Not necessary.
Alright.
You know
So,
what I mean?
what's up with thinking? I'm not too tired. I'm
Yeah,
going
man.
to moms.
You can hear right now. And I'll call me one call I want him burning out.
No, man, the year. Don't hang there big.
Yeah, man, I'm
We
going
have
to
to
buy
go into
bundle.
moms, because she did have it for
Big up, mom. So I said,
Yeah,
me
man.
said,
Big
I said,
mom.
Johnny said, big up herself. Yes, sir.
Alright.
Man,
Yeah,
that's right. Yes, sir. Cool. Hello? Remember, I called you earlier, you know. And we talked about the dinner, you know. So make sure you're ready up, yeah? Me I call her lick them on idea tomorrow and confirm her. Yeah? So me call her now. You don't know which part we are going all these things. Yeah man, we got a nice time. I eat some nice food. Moscato, lobster tail and all these things. Right? I road time with them. Just reason my bird in Billy. Yeah. But we talk man, yeah? Alright, so tomorrow. Yeah, 5,000.
So Matilda, it's later when Shelly there.
You don't see her from morning?
No, remember so she did tell us that she want to meet up with me and we buy the whole of the something them for she come, because I never have money yet. And now I know he can't reach it.
So you don't see her from morning?
No. And he never have money, because I tell her today that we'll come sit down and release some
Look how much something she make we buy. Everything where she says she want we buy. No we want sit down and chill out as usual. She not the here. I wish I knew them are yours. Is that one here?
Sorry, la for me one.
She always drink this. Oh, put it up this up. And I then sit there and she like she a little picnic. Put this up this one.
I know what I'm going to do with them.
You know what? Patsy. You see, if we call Shelly and she not come, it's either we give a fear because we can't talk smooth sitting. Okay? You will drink it?
Me drink it back off me only me drink it.
You sure you can manage it? Alright.
Me a buckle, you know.
Wait. Me go call Shelly and ask her where she there. Because we wait too long.
Call her.
How long with the years and she said she dey come? I don't understand this.
I bet she a man in the road that chat too.
Anything possible, you know, say a hairstyle that. They have a chat next year, she did. Of course we have yes, Shelly. How far you reach, girl? You know how long would they in I park and wait for you? You and your belly. But if we buy the stick them where you tell us if you buy. Of course we buy them how long with the years so wait for you. I told you no come while we don't start drink and eat it. I know you stay as usual. Love sweets and love your belly. We could never go into the supermarket and take up stuff with us. The three of your friend girl. Hurry up and come here and wait for you. Hurry up, man. I would have catch up on the road. You can't look money. You know, wait till man look you. Same thing you just say. Patsy, see me the chat make you hear. When you have friend you talk things make them hear, that means you know hypocrite. Hurry up and come, me not laugh with you. You look too much, man. Alright.
What you saying there?
She dey come, saying up on the way. You know when she said she dey come? Alright, don't you saw me there. We are woy she dey. She lie.
I want money in her ears.
Jesus, peace. No, sir. When me watch, when me look on the time, me never have no time. When me look on the phone. No laugh up on me. She dey put me in an idiot. Me believe say me wear watch.
See that go?
You see time? We are there about 5 minutes. And you know she not come. We just eat what you can eat and drink what you can drink. And lay fear upon you. So you come over here now.
After me money buy me eat it. But I go pay everything in my belly.
All the same, take it. What ya? Look who's coming.
Wait.
You don't see Shelly?
Thank God, I'm all live long. Thank God.
She finally reached.
I get hungry.
Girl, where did they so long? On the road, I want to you know you told me say in a taxi.
Taxi man let me have done this one.
You never have no fear. You know no money. You could have the taxi man come up here and we pay your fare. You always not have no money.
You get something for me?
Of course, I not tell you already. You look like you there see there. We not go buy for yourself and don't buy for you. The whole of your friend. Take it now. Come sit down here, so come sit down here, so. Wanna go sit down?
I wish for man something them there.
See your thing around there, so go on around there, so go sit down, matter of fact. Go on there, so go sit
You
down.
know, I'm not drink fraud, you know. This look fraud to you? Look at that. I'm not
That's your order, that you get. You should have tell you before. Say a magnum you want.
drunk. It's too
see?
light.
And you must know what you want. Make them have your belly. So I go on.
You wet up my foot.
Watch there. Oh, she disgusting and stay. No wonder why she never have no fear for pay the taxi man.
I want to tell you something.
How what happened?
And when I come to book one taxi, I beg him drive.
I like. Be careful, the way a big taxi man drives.
Lord God. This not pull Shelly. Shelly pull this one. I want to buy this.
Nice supermarket, and you no pull it good and shake it.
Look at hot man.
It look like they shake it up or uno shake. Are you shake it up or are you? We should not shake it up.
I never shake up.
So you will like see the frat up.
I have money enough still.
Look, yeah, that you want, that you get. You love frat, drink frat.
So I want to go on in.
There, man.
Then wait. You could buy my food that I go to buy. Please. Put it down. You must appreciate things, you know.
You get money out here?
Me broke, man, I tell you.
May I ask you one question? Did you bring any money out here? Well, learn to satisfy what people give to you and learn to appreciate things and say thank you. You're ungrateful. You don't say ungrateful? Shelly, me not tell now like a long time the three we are friends, but me notice that you ungrateful. Can you imagine? You don't have no money. We could have just tell us that we're not going away and we alone come by ourselves and come chill out. We plan with you. We buy what you say you want. Now you come here and think about next. Some girl, learn to satisfy me. Don't like it. Don't do it. No wonder why you take people taxi without money. What you do with money, so? Look how much money you did have the other day.
I don't tap. I have a
Man,
problem.
sometimes you have to tell Shelly you make she know herself, man.
I have a
like
serious-
Shelly style.
I have a serious problem.
What happened now? What kind of problem you have?
I stress out. You know see what me I do? I don't know say I want me stress out them and me depend. I'm most man problem.
What kind of man problem you have now? Patsy, talk truth. So me and you and Shelly are friends. And you now make me know what go down. What kind of man problem you have?
I need a man.
Alright.
Find me a man.
Me? You find you one man?
Man, I forget. Then I hard for you forget because you don't have a type you take anything. I don't have a steady man, I enjoy myself. For one life, I have to live in a. I have a steady man.
How will you just say out your little stupid mouth, Shelly?
I don't have a steady man.
You don't have a steady man?
I enjoy myself, you know.
Say you don't have a steady man and warm to you and your body. Make you can't have a steady man.
And the protection, though.
You notice that the three of your friend and your youngest one and you act like I say you want to take over every man in the world. You want to take over all of them. It can't work. Stop it. Control yourself.
Maybe that's why I can't find a man. You feel like
Because you have all of them. No wonder why you can't get
listen,
none
you
to
feel
do.
like I'm going to sit down and make no bother me? I enjoy myself. What you say?
Then Shelly, talk truth.
Girl.
Talk truth. Talk truth, man. What you mean you don't have a steady man? People always say birds of a feather flock together and the three of we are friend. And I don't want them confused say the three of we are doing the same thing. What you mean?
Exactly. Because me is a settle down type. I need a stable relationship. Oh, yeah. But second don't I go? Because I'm don't talk now. You notice me give no time for talk? Can argue out on argue. It's my time to talk now. And me call the meeting to tell you that I need a man. I need a steady man. It's not like say they not look me at everything, you know. It's not like they not look me at everything, you know. But the thing is, them just want one thing and one thing only. I need a stable relationship to settle down and say, alright, that I'm my man and you know, me a female woman and all of these things. See, I did that night me have to block Raj. Remember Raj me tell about? You remember? No, me didn't tell you. Me didn't tell she.
I mean, I did that with a
Because she have no
She
sense.
did just
You don't know
command
someone
it.
is a hypocrite.
Me and you did just don't talk when she command. She never
I'm
did.
a hypocrite.
Oh, hypocrite.
Everything good.
I know hypocrite, you was not there. As we finish the conversation, you turn up. But we are going to start over again.
But say,
No,
oh,
sir.
no, Hattie.
No man, me not like how Shelly stay. She always a going like she want cause problem. You always the cause confusion and contention in betwixt the three of we as friends. Yes, when time you're wrong, you don't want people to correct you. We are friends. We have to tell you if you're wrong. And if me wrong, you tell me so we're wrong. If we are no friend, And you want me to do sitting and not tell me say me wrong or me right. That's a fair business. But every time the three we go out, you keep up the foolishness here. I don't like your style. When Patsy did that talk to me, but him man when you used to deal with, you was not there as you come so little bit before. The conversation done, you have to say as you reach it done. What if you start all over again? Fewa, me mean hypocrite. Don't say that girl.
Me not pay Shelly no man.
Stop friend say that man. Me not like people stay saying, we are friends. Make we be as a friend now, act as a friend, and stay as a friend. What kind of friendship that? The minute we go have to argue.
So I'm to you and good man.
You know I'm good though. I'm quite fine, him alright. Fine guy. You know I'm always treat me good from a long time. Although you know good to tell some friend where you have about your man's story, you know.
She a drop out for.
Because you have some friend who love take with people, man and them stick me.
Shelly a drop out for.
No, me not drop no word for you.
talk.
I know you me the talk, come for the talk, you know. In a real life, when you tell some of your friend them how your man treat you, then take him away from you if you don't know if you hold on.
You know Matilda.
You have to know if you hold on for your man.
But Matilda, we are your only friend. So obviously we are drop word for. Not true, Shelly? True, me not have a man.
If you say so.
Yeah, drop word for me, cause your man is not my type of me.
Don't. Hey. You're not a friend. This when you come on to.
Hello.
How about she now?
I bet you choppy my choppy line. Now I'm on calling.
Are you for know what can go on? Yeah. Come link you later. Alright, that's enough. Now you come. Me call you.
Patsy, you know, so talk to Shelly about them dirty style.
I'm not busy with him.
Too much money have we. One day she use condom.
You can't tell big man to rain a
dangerous.
family.
She have come a dangerous sitting. I go on in a roll now, you know. No, but if I was friends, I have to tell her to protect herself. She have too much man.
Me not tell her nothing because everything you say, she everything you say to her, she just talk to her, she be like a shepherd. Well, me have a date tonight. I don't know about no boss. I'm going on a date. Always I find them and them. Always I find them and them, Matilda.
Me not even say nothing. Me uncle and no say it's not my money I go out with because we are friends but with a ton enemy the entire time. Me not tell you like Shelly. You are going too bad now. Eh? What you just say? You know me man.
Enemy of a man.
We are friends, you know, if you with your friend them man.
Man will come and go.
Man will come and go. Not in my dream and not in my lifetime. Your life different from mine.
Catty girl, my man.
Me know. Because it seems like it's we are friends and the trail up on a different level. Because look what you going to do. The people feel say the chair we are catch man, you better tappy. Yeah, you use condom. I don't know my front. You using condom.
Tell me who's a friend and I will show you who you are. Me is not you, you know, Shelly. Shelly, I'm not you.
Okay. You see same damn blasted thing when me they tell you? Birds of a feather flock together. Dirty people them outside in our community. Now she come and tell you about show me your friend and tell you who you are. So we are your friend. That means that we are the same thing. A liar they tell. Before so we broke your friendship from right here. So don't do it. Me's not you.
Well, Patsy, I Miss Materia. It's good. It is good not to be you and you. My grandpa date.
I really go Shelly?
So I'm here pull up your beer belly for you go let it out for man. That's what friends are. Move. Worthless, you're worthless. Man always a touch your night and you come back. I'm not you guys. Now the boring life.
Shelly, so after we sit down and plan so we are come chat and you know laugh and enjoy yourself, you really make me buy something for you just pull your gut and then you're gone.
That's what friends are. Wally, a bad come here drink later, I must start her.
Go on. Carry back. You say you love your belly, huh? You love your belly too much, Shelly. I hope you use condom later.
The man will touch you, make him full up your belly. Make him buy you big box food.
Protect yourself, use a condom.
Every time.
Because see there, you don't have nothing for him nor drink. Much as if he's going to breathe. Mr. Phil, but look on him too. Look on her. We can't believe. Yeah, we're friends. And when we talk about it, come like a chat, we talk about your bad things, but in reality, Shelly, if you stop doing it, I don't like how she say. One, this boy today, go, I don't like how you say. Too terrible, man. As one man call you, take a one phone call.
Just remember, I love you. Can't go to the supermarket, making top up your pocket on your phone, miss.
Shelly, may you sit down right here so with Patsy and one phone call make you gone.
Matilda
And
left
drop your drawers.
Left him,
Everything
Matilda.
good.
Left him,
Know
Matilda.
yourself.
Left him. You can't tell big man to rain and fall. Left him.
When you're in a problem, do not call Matilda phone and say, Matilda, I am broke, I don't have any fear. Come and meet me and tell my fear. Don't call my name. Everybody don't know say Matilda my name already. Do not spread it and tell them say me no friend. And no more friend again because I don't like your style. You stay too bad. I not tell them like Patsy, we actually a friend and people like them they when you sit down and talk things about them, look like a hypocrite, but a reality.
But that makes it nice.
Where come from?
Fear.
Where you come from?
Fear.
Fear.
$100.
So who tell us to tap people them taxi and don't have no money?
I'm gonna be a friend now.
You know what? I not feel like it. I look at no money in my bag.
You shouldn't give him none.
I don't see no money in their card. Me have card.
Let me card.
How fill in my card and give you my number? No, my card, me need card. See there, no.
You don't have no $100 on you.
See there. Me show you. I be a card in my bag. See there.
Let me the one.
No, how me fill in your it? How you go take off money after you idiot? See there, a card them. See there. See it? Card me have. Me no carry no cash. Me buy the stuff them half on the card. Patsy, you have no change can give her. Me will give you back. Tell us if it's careful with the heap of man them we are do it for nothing at all. You must come to help us. Face thing and no money to pay your fear. We are look down in a girl brazier so far. Yeah, what?
But Jesus.
Now what?
I 3 bills for my fear.
How far you go?
Nigga.
Take it.
You notice me don't have a man and me have money. And you have whole heap of money. You don't have no
Don't
money.
worry about me, my money I save up.
Give me money.
$100 figure and like she at them. Man, look small if you broke their foot. You want one broke man foot and you want broke woman foot. Who you?
Never have money yet.
You must be brother and nice. What do you?
Must have ambition, man. That's why me can't get no money because me not give nothing free. When you give it free, it is called.
No, Shelly, stop it though. You know say we broke her bad though. Me and you broke her too bad because all of me say me not give her. Me still give her, or you turn around and give her.
You
That's
try
why
to draw the money off your card and give it back.
no, me will give you back. You know, say, look how much time. Me have to end up give her money and then tell us I'm in a have sometime in a divorce.
Look here. Right now, Shelly broke my bed. We just want to go home. I come.
Sometimes I not even have to give her a card. She was a card, me always I use my card. And then she come and you know, look one wave fishy, she come around with and we not have nothing to give her. Me don't know how she stays so.
So, you know, look now here when she a cuss and a talk about if we go find any man. Eh? You know
Yeah,
what
I understand, but you know, say some people skin of them brain up there, so you have to see with her, you know?
Non-ambitious broke friend broke my vibes. Me a come down here.
So you don't want to be a friend again.
Me talk to her now, Matilda, but every time, sir, you just walk every night and now make no money, all but no work for nothing.
Me understand, but we can't talk to her again. If we are friend and we take her for friend, we can talk to her again and see if she will stop and run up and down. Because I don't like this style.
There comes a time when you have to stop talk and do action.
You know how much time me stop talk and it cause problem? Because silence come like I say a power and a danger to some people.
Silence is nonsense. But Dan, me.
Silence cannot be nonsense. If we are friend Patsy, we can talk to her for the last time. You understand?
If you want to talk Matilda, you talk to her. But as for me, Shelly is a big woman. Me tell to talk to Shelly. Me not have no pitney. Me no need to grow her mother. That's her mother job. And right now, me no think she have her mother to grow her anymore. My belly broke. Who want to go about you? My belly hurt me.
So just a walk with left me and me come over here.
So what me do? Turn up.
Why me not like how no behave as friend though? My friend come like a war there, you know. Pick up the news and maybe Shelly come over here and hungry again.
They can come for you tomorrow. When you stress up the situation.
Me never plan for spend no money on no food.
What do you mean you plan to spend the money on food? So if you buy me one food, look how much years me know you. You can't buy food
A
for me.
styling thing in the pan?
What do you mean styling thing me pan? Come back tomorrow, man. Tomorrow you get back your money. It's as simple as that.
Patsy and Matilda did right.
Right, but
using
what?
styling thing in the pan.
What do you mean using styling? What you talking about? You buy a little food for me? Because I never have you're going like a purpose. My purpose left my wallet. Think my purpose left my wallet?
So you manage to left your wallet?
Me a hurry if I come look for you, if I come see if I can have a good time with you. That's why I left my wallet. You think of purpose? You really think of purpose all this time? Me out to spend for you and all these things. Me check myself and me check yourself. And I'm my phone down yourself. Nah, man, I'm my wallet over yourself. You understand me? I say? So stop going to foolishness. Me I give you money still, you know. And after I give you money, we're just done. Simple as that. Because I can't take a girl who can't understand. If me drop down, you can help me up a little bit. What kind of woman I be?
Me no give my money.
Shelly?
Go for me money, that me I talk about, that me I defend.
Really, your money alone? Let me see your phone.
No, you not get my phone. You have my phone for.
Let me see your phone. That's all I want to see. So the account number, I see him number?
Yeah.
Me Jesus, same thing me a test. You save me number as Nyam out, or you hold this. Me go for your money. Stay right there, so don't move, yeah? Don't move. Me have something for you. Don't move. Don't move. Me a come.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Mr. Officer Ramsey, and your name is?
My name is Shirley.
Oh, are you the person when me here say I go upon people's premises and I trespass?
Police boy, let me ask you something. I wish you come see me a while ago. In the middle of the road, Jamaica road. A bush, you see me a bush, you come and talk about trespass. You see me a trespass? You see me in the middle of the road.
Alright. You say upon the roadside, monsieur. Well, let me tell you, the police station has get information say you're there for people property.
Police boy, better you move in front of me, you know. You see me now, nobody yard. What the fuck, who call you?
You know, say is a man named Johnny Williams.
Jesus Christ. Johnny, I'm a money me want. You owe me, I'm a money me want. So you better go over there to my money and carry con give me.
Me better? Well, me never come here for Johnny Williams, you know. And you me get information about. So please, I'm asking you, just dismiss yourself, please.
You see your trousers is big.
Boy.
No man. Can't come out. Nah, get him, mommy. That's.
Acha. It's a girl you call me as me about to make one call. How Patsy want now? It's a great man no answer. He too much trouble, man. Hello? Patsy? What going?
Matilda. Oh, they how long, man? Me a call your phone how long?
As me about to make a call to one of my family, me a Christmas a come, my girl. How money me a go beg them fi give me money fi buy cake and ice cream and something. And you tap me a whoop, something good you have to tell me. What go on, you good?
I said, you don't know nothing good for heartburn.
What? Lad, me happy for you. What you say, girl? You find one man named Hardbone? You're too live. I want to meet him. What you say?
I say, I sit down on the toilet half an hour now and I know me no Matilda.
I'm not hear she say so good on this phone. Yeah. Patsy. Patsy. Hold on there. Any signal where there? Hello? Patsy. You hear me now? Me glad for you. Me happy for you. You find man named Hardbone. Yes. A long time you did forget one man. But that the name they sound like a one good man. And you, Jal, I first man me hear name Hardbone.
You know, not be hardbone. I say, I sit down on the toilet for half an hour now and can't let it go now. Me try olive oil, me eat banana. Hardbone, me say. You come at me never say me have no man. Me say hardbone. You hear what you want here, you have selective here later.
Patsy, it's a signal I look like you not good there, so. I hope you hear what me I say. Patsy. So you have to go make me meet him one day. Yes, girl, me happy for you, so till. No, you could never make 2022 done and you're going at 2023 and don't find a man by the name of Hardbone. That is a good man. Hey! Woo! Murder. Me glad for you. When me see you, me and you will chat about Hardbone.
Me say hardbone, you deaf. Me can't. Shoot.
Patsy? Hold on there. Patsy, you hear me? Oh, me think you never hear me. Yes, we can talk about him one time we meet up, girl. Me happy for you so till. You might treat her good? I hope Hardbone is treating you very good and very well. Because the name alone, no say, him is a good man and he know if he treat a man. Little more, me have one family figure call right now. Christmas a come, girl, and me need Christmas cake and ice cream and red wine. Yes! Girl, me have me sorrel already. And ginger talk truth. Later. Of course I can get piece of cake. Don't do it, me and your friend for a long time. But be careful, you know, how you eat them cake there, you know. And mine Hardbone go see you get, hey, rosy. Yes. And turn out in a Hardbone too. Oh, little more later. Alright. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Girl, you chat too much. Later, me have one call for go make. Jeez and peace, you know, don't. Patsy. Little more. Can't bother. Later, man. Chum, no, me not run you.
Alright.
Yes, alright, cool. Can chat.
Idiot.
Made that me, you know. Call Matilda. Okay. What boy? Oh, wait. Girl, my day is stress, you know. I don't know, come like something wrong with me. Come like, I don't know. Right now, I'm stressed out, you know. Because I don't know what happened to me in a big crisis that I follow me from other day, you know. How are they run a yard? I can't link you. Because something happened to me last night. I want to tell you. Alright, I forward.
How are you doing, my gate? Want you?
don't know what I'm doing in life, you know.
I didn't know say somewhere me did I go, you're lucky you catch me. What am to you?
Me say, after yesterday, I left on the road this one. I left on the go on a mission, alright. Reach, I eat food, enjoy, I talk and I laugh. When bills appear, man, feel, can't find no wallet. Me did have a money for me, and me have to use it pay for the food. I follow him go in a yard. He say him go give me money. He say, alright, me for waiting. And me get ready now. Me for wait him a come. Alright. When me look, I want look how Humpy Dumpy police officer come. I said, girl, I can't talk about me enter people premises. I say, and I migrate road, me there talk about premises. Me enter premises, me there bush. A government road, me there pan.
Shelly, stick up in. Don't me and Patsy warn you, especially me, we always warn you. All the time. Sometimes Patsy not even around when me and you there. And me still a warn you. You see, sometimes you have to listen. Not because me and you are a friend, and I know me and your mama. That means you have to listen to me. You feel say about me about you more while. I just saw me come down more time when me I tell you the thing and you not listen to me. Me have to get serious and deal with you in a different type of way.
My money more until I'm stressed out.
Hold on there. What you say you do? Go I want a restaurant, order food and everything, and the man don't have no money to pay the bill.
Style him and style me.
And you want man to style you. You're an idiot, Shelly.
You don't know nothing.
Me can't have girl like you for my friend. And you're an idiot. Friend, you're around me. And me name Matilda Empress. No boy not supposed to do so like that. You're an idiot. Anyway me did it. Anyway if you get the money, you have to get it. Cash or card.
Yeah,
you have to pay for your money. But you're an idiot.
And then say boy call police for me.
The boy style you and then turn you in a fool at the same time. Because he say you don't have no sense. Or your man fi go out, sit down around table. You make big order when time you done eat and you have to pay a bill. How much time me take you one side and teach you how you have to deal with men when you go out. Always bring your get vex money, of course. But that the money the way you take and pay, now you have to pay your rent. And now me come to no money, you know. Because style you make a boy style you, me warn you. Me warn you, girl. Where you look over me head so far?
But wait.
Oh.
Now the same gate I me see man go through last night.
I ask me, I tell me.
Me I tell you. The same gate here.
How?
Yes, the same gate I me see man go through last night.
Shelly,
Look here.
the amount of money where you go. Make sure you look on the gate good because I see every woman way over this yard they have their man. Be careful of where you do. You make me neighbor them hear you they chat
I want Rasta man.
Rasta man.
He here in a gold, something black, something. And yes, so me see him go man.
About 3 to 4 Rasta man live
At
over here.
night.
You hear me, Shelly? You dey hear me? Take time talk me say everybody, every
Who
woman.
want me money?
Ease yourself. You must know who you go give your front to and then you give you no money and make you all order food and don't pay your feet. Then you have to turn around for your feet. Shelly, you sure see that gate here?
Shelly.
Oh, a 4, take time. Shh. A 4 Rasta man live over here and the 4 of them live with their woman. Mind you make them start look through the window and they wonder which girl that they. Shelly, you see how me want you to stop sell front? Shelly, why you not take the little money them where you sell your front already and go do a little business? If I sell back juice and cheese chips, you come patronize at me gate. You're not sure if I this a gate you're in a night.
And the gate here. Matilda, shut up. Me not sell no front. Me not do them things there. Me go out with man. Yeah, you know what me save him as? Nyam out. You know what nyam out mean? Me not sell no front.
Shelly, me know your style. Looking at me two eye them a long time we are friends.
I no sell no front.
Then Shelly, I give them for free because you could never come a man here than order money.
Listen to me. A man had a big lobster, muscato, pasta, everything. Ready for pay. I look for wallet, can't find wallet. How me have to pay?
Jesus.
So I'm my money want. He say I'm going to give me back my money.
So
guess what?
you save the man name in your phone as name out. Why didn't you ask the man why right name so you still have him in your head all when you know in your phone? At least you could have told me the man name because over here so me live and you know. Me could have known who you talk but look how much Rasta man over there for. What me I go do now? How me I go do? Walk and ask for Rasta man them?
You look at a chicken chip me. Take my phone last night, but you must send money to account.
I like.
Ring the boy, ring the phone, and see him cook up number.
Jesus.
God almighty. Hello.
Boss it, Shelly. Give me first. Move from. Move. You know, say I really idiot. Me know why you're for my friend. Go on where you go. You're fool, you know. God damn. What
thing good?
I think men like go do and you can't stop me and tell me foolishness.
Oh, Matilda, come here. Remember a boy named Johnny Williams.
Johnny Williams.
Johnny.
One Johnny live over there, but me don't know his surname.
Johnny Williams. Then call him Johnny.
You know, so one Rasta man live over here, so named Johnny.
Over here, so
but me don't know his last name. His last name not relevant. One Rasta man. And
Johnny.
We say down here so one ear bleach out.
Yes.
Me know him.
How
oh, you make them the boy they style, them boy they have their money. I use them, I use you. You a fool? If you listen to your friend, anything me tell you, I saw it go, but you never want to listen. You can't hear, you will feel. Next time when me talk to you, Patsy talk to you, me talk to you, you go on like I say, oh, no. Sure, we say a foolishness. Me sorry feel so where you go get that the money they know from him. And where you gonna put your phone in a man hand for? You know the man? At the first time you see him or you see him already?
I see him already.
So you and him go on date already?
What that have to do with you, Matilda?
No man, you come to me with man argument and money argument and pay food argument. So me just try, you see it at that with you, you're full of too much attitude. That's why you always on the wrong side. You do not listen and learn from what you say to people or what people say to you. You idiot man? Shelly, imagine you give man your phone. Make man trick you, say them and send money to your account. The man did ask you for your account number?
Him did have my account number already. Can I send money already?
Oh, he send money come here already. Nobody asked him for that the money the way you pay fee food. I squit him and squit out it. It look like you never give him nothing in the night. So he must squit out it that the money they were give you already. Just call it a day or a night and say, let me pay fee food. But with the nice at me gate, because this a neighborhood there, no nice no in there. And look how you come and talk at me gate, Lord, me not even know say you're there with man over 50 yard.
Matilda, you know me your friend, long time. And so my time when you talk to me, I not hear. But no nobody have to tell me what to do. I'm my life. Let me live my life. But here, anyways, like over there you live and over there you live, you can't check him and get his number. The boy change the number for me. Block me for everything.
I lie at you. I want to ask you something. You in a business, I don't just go for one date. Uno there or uno no there? I don't understand. What happened between you and him make it cost all of this? Because if a man send all money to your account already, that means you and him did something.
Leave it alone.
Alright, anyway, I understand.
I go home.
No, leave it alone. But listen to me. Shelly, me and your friend, you put me in no problem. I go try, because I didn't talk good enough. I go try and see if I can get your number and give it to you. But you see, anytime puss come to show, you hear what I just say? Do not call Matilda name and say it's Matilda you get the number from. You hear what I tell you? You have no friend on the road where you know say they will give you a number. You not going to really expect say me still. So nobody make you know. Call him and defend your money. You must see that. You know, I really come down. I can go about my business. Little more. Later.
you.